Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook ginataang tuna. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, coco mama or coconut milk, and then spring onions, white onions, and then the chilies, garlic, ginger, and the purple onions, and then the tuna. I marinated with salt, a little salt, a little black pepper, and a little soy sauce. Okay, to start, we're gonna put the coconut milk. And then we're gonna add the onions, the garlic, all this one, the onions, the ginger, the chilies, and the garlic. Okay. Okay, guys. And then we're gonna add a cubes. We're gonna add a fish cubes. Okay. And then we're gonna let it boil, and then we put the fish if it's boiled already. Okay. It's in a few minutes it will boil. The coconut milk is boiled already, so I'm gonna add this spring onions, the white one, and then I'm gonna add black pepper, and then just a little salt, just a little, and then we're gonna add the fish. Okay, wait. Mm, we're gonna add the fish. Mm, 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 mm. And now we're gonna make it sure that this all the fish will submerge in this coconut milk, but I'm sure that it will, and we're gonna flip it over also. So I'm gonna flip it over first, even if it's not cooked yet, because so that okay, like that. Mm, okay. Mm. Okay, and now we're gonna cover first, simmer for how many minutes until the fish cook. Okay. Okay, we're gonna cover first. Okay, guys, look at it's done, guys. I already tested, and then I'm still gonna test. It's good for rice. Mm, you can one rice. Okay, okay, guys, look at this one. Okay, so our ginataang tuna, it's done. Mm, it's super yummy, guys. Okay, okay, guys. So our ginataang guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and to my personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.